How to get the message in a bottle on Melvor Idol. So here is the message in a bottle. When you read it, it gives you access to a secret fishing area. So to get the message in a bottle, let's take a look at the Melvor Wiki Idol. We can see that you have to fish special items, and special items have a 0.15% chance of being the message in a bottle. So basically, we have to fish special items in order to get this item. So let's head over to fishing. And we can see that some areas offer more special items than others. If I fish in the shallow shores, for example, I get 13% chance of getting a special item, and of course that special item, each time I get one, it has a 0.15% chance of being the message in a bottle. So how do you get the special percent chance up? Because that will maximize your chances of getting the message in a bottle. So head over to astrology, and you want to train astrology until you have a good fishing level. And once you have a good fishing level, you can then start re-rolling these skills and attributes. So I have plus 15% chance to double items in fishing here, but what we're looking at is these ones at the bottom. So I have a plus 10% chance to receive special items from fishing. I'm going to click on this one here with my 15 golden stardust at the bottom here. Oh, and look at that. We now have a plus 13% chance of getting special items from fishing thanks to astrology. So that's a nice way to boost it. Astrology is also very beneficial for getting bonuses in all your skills. I recommend training it early on if you haven't already. I mean, look at that. If we head over to fishing now, we can see that my special chance is 16% now for this area. So yeah, just to summarize, if you want to get the message in a bottle, then try to get your special chance up, and then all you have to do is fish and wait. And of course, every time you get a special item, it has a 0.15% chance of being the elusive message in a bottle. If this video helped, please leave a like and a nice friendly comment, and consider joining for a month to help develop Minutemanual.com. Thank you very much.